In this video, I'm going to show you how to do these Brita filters. And I bought I think an 8-pack here. And then basically, they're very simple. You'll see there's like a little ridge here, and then these are just 4 little deals. And then if you look in here, you're going to see back there is the ridge. So you've got to get this side here backwards, like that. And then it just falls down in there. That way I'll be able to have filtered water. I mean, it's better than nothing. I wish I had a system, but I don't. So we'll just let that drain through there. And you're going to do this a couple times and just get that filter nice and soaked up. And you may have a little charcoal coming out of it, but I think it's going to be good. Now, these filters themselves are basically, they reduce chlorine, taste, odor, mercury, copper, cadmium, and more. Make an impact. These filters replace 18,000 bottles. So if you had 18,000 bottles of water, instead of doing that, just buy this, which is an 8-pack, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-pack. I'm sorry, a 6-pack of Brita filters. Yeah, look right there, I'm so dumb. 6 filters. So, and you want to replace it every 2 months. So, yeah. And then here you are, it tells you all the different information on the back here. So if you look, it says replaces 18,000 bottles. That's 18,000 bottles. That's this right here. It says 18,000 bottles, replaces 18,000 bottles. Think about that. That's 18,000 bottles that will not be in a landfill somewhere. Improves water taste, blah, blah, blah. Filter replacement is essence for a product to perform as represented. So anyway, it tells you about it here. And it's got a patent design. It's built-in mesh screens. It's got a bunch of stuff there. You can just read it. And then down here, it's got some more information. And it's got one of these UR codes that you can check on it. And it tells you how to do it here. It tells you exactly what to do here. So anyway, when you first get it, you got to flush this filter with water. And I'm just filling this up. I'm just going to soak it up a little bit. And it says here only for 15 seconds, but I've left it in there for a while. And then what we're going to do is we're going to insert the filter in there. We've done that already. And we're going to make 3 pitchers of it first, and we're going to pour those out. And then every 40 gallons, we have to switch it out. So about every 2 months. So that's what we want to do. All right, that's it. That's the Brita. All right, let's go ahead and continue with our project. I'm going to go ahead and pour this water out. I'll count that as 1 pitcher. And let's go ahead and we'll do another one. All right, so that's 2 pitchers. Let's do one more. This will be our 3rd. All right, let's pour out. You know what? I'm going to do 4 pitchers just because I want extra credit. I'm going to speed up all the water filling. And bam, Bob's your uncle. That's it. That filter is as good as gold, so we'll use it tomorrow to make our coffee. And to dry this out, what I do is I kind of pop this up and I set it like that. That way it'll dry. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.